Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So, good Tuesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're back here. I'm here with Winston Norman, our editor in chief, here in our Warsaw office. Winston, good to see you.
All right, Craig, how's it going?
Yeah, good. Back and happy we had such nice weather yesterday and today, at least today in the morning. Very nice.
Yeah,
Looks
the
like
weather's great.
yeah. So good to see everybody. Good, everyone's back. I guess a lot of people are back from 3-day weekend throughout Europe. In Poland, it's tomorrow's also a holiday on Wednesdays, so maybe a few people aren't back yet here. But a lot going on. We're now working on two events for this month. We're now in May. First, May 11th, we have our CEO Awards nomination event in Belgrade in Serbia on May 11th. And here in Poland, we've on May 25th, we have our Europa Property Baltic Real Estate Awards, which we're just having couple meetings even today with potential sponsors and some big nominations coming in and jury members, of course. And this is May 25th in Sopot, which is in the northern part of Poland in the Tri-City area between Gdansk and Gdynia. It'd be great if you're doing anything in northern Poland or want to be, or Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Scandinavia, the Nordics, or anything touching the Baltic Sea. You should definitely come to our event. We have, I think, over 100 nominations already, and many different companies coming and sponsoring the event. So we'll talk a little bit more about that. We'll jump right over first to Winston with the headlines, today's headlines.
Thanks, Craig. Yeah, today's headlines include Adventum's Penta Fund, has acquired Vola Retro in Warsaw. Seven Arves completed an expansion of a warehouse near Kielce in Poland. G-City Europe has completed the acquisition of a shopping center in Prague, and Kaufland Global Marketplace has launched on the Czech market.
Well, so a lot going on. Great. Good to hear. And yeah, so we'll take a little break. We'll see a little film about our Baltic Real Estate Awards in Sopot, and we'll be right back with the news. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Europa Property Baltic Real Estate Awards, May 25th, held in the beautiful beachside city of Sopot, which is part of the Tri-City area on the Polish Baltic coast at the Radisson Blue Hotel. Countries covered in the awards include the Baltics, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Scandinavia and the Nordics, Denmark, Finland, Sweden, Norway, as well as Germany, and of course Poland. Book your tickets, sponsorships, and place your nominations now on our website, and feel free to email me for more details. So welcome back, and Winston, those headlines sounded very interesting. Ready to hear about the full blast of the news for today.
Thanks, Craig. So Eventum Group has completed its fifth acquisition in the region through its Eventum Penta Fund, and this fifth acquisition is Volo Retro Office Complex in Warsaw, and it was built in 2019 by De Villiers, and the complex is being delivered to a high standard, of course, and it's got Class A specifications with ESG requirements top of the agenda, and the anchor tenant is Budamex Group, so that's a good tenant in there.
Big client, yeah.
Big client, yeah, and that's what investors are looking for when they're
Sure.
looking for office developments in the region. And according to Christoph Borani, he's from Eventum, he says, Volo Vetra has excellent fundamentals, and we firmly believe that combined with our ESG strategy focused on further enhancing its energy efficiency, we will add significant value to the property. Staying in Poland and moving to logistics industry, and 7R have completed the expansion of 7 Park Kielce halls. The current tenant is MyBox Logistics, and they're going to lease an additional 30,000 square meters. And when this extension is finished, the complex will have around 72,000 square meters. And according to Darius May, he's the distribution center director at MyBox, we are very pleased to have leased additional warehouse space at 7R Park Kielce. This will enable us to serve our customers even better and increase our efficiency in logistics operations. Moving to the Czech Republic, and on the investment side, G-City Europe, formerly Atrium European Real Estate, has completed the purchase of the remaining 25% stake in the Arkady Pankrák's shopping center in Prague for around 60 million euros. And this shopping centre was built in 2009, and it's a prime shopping centre comprising of around 40,000 square metres of GLA. And it's well established in the centre of Prague and is leased around 96%. And ECE project management will continue to manage the centre. And finally, for today, Kaufland, after its successful launch in Slovakia, has launched Kaufland.cz in the Czech Republic. And according to Gerard Schombucher, he's the CEO of Kaufland e-commerce. With Kaufland.cz, we are now represented online in 3 different countries. This is an amazing accomplishment in still short history of Kaufland marketplaces. Primarily, we're happy that our sellers can easily and conveniently market their products to millions of people around these countries.
Well, great. So a lot going on. Very interesting news. Thank you all for watching today's Coffee with Craig. Again, we've got a great event coming up in Sopot, May 25th. Our Europa Property Baltic Real Estate Awards. So if you haven't booked a sponsorship or ticket or put in a nomination, now's the time to do it. It's Baltic. The website is Baltic Real Estate Awards .eu. So or just drop me a message and I'll send you all the links. So have a good day. Well, and enjoy the rest of the week. We will see you the next day for the news. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.